Grade Bakers by Kira, Noah, Gianna, Nora, and Jair.
Important things you need to do while baking. Adult supervision is important so you don't get hurt. You need to wash your hands before you bake. Read your recipe carefully. Wash your materials when needed and use the correct measurements when you're baking.
We are teaching you how to make healthy-ish muffins.
The Baking Network presents the 5th Grade Bakers.
My name is Akira.
My name is Jair.
My name is Noah.
My name is Nora. My name is Gianna.
Hi.
We are the 5th Grade Bakers.
Welcome to our baking show.
Today we will be making one batch of chocolate chip and one batch of blueberry muffin.
Our first step is to add the flour with all the dry ingredients.
Now let's put in some baking powder and baking soda.
It's time to add vegetable oil and maple syrup.
Which we already did.
Now add the salt and cinnamon. Okay. We are using whole wheat flour and maple syrup because it's healthier.
Now we've got all the wet ingredients in the same bowl.
Okay, who wants to stir next? I'll stir next.
I will. Yes.
Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients.
Then stir the chocolate chips or blueberries.
That looks like a cookie dough.
Mm-hmm.
This was like about it. I was just like watching on the bus a cookie how to bake cookies. I already do. It's just I like to watch the video.
Oh, blue.
Always share your baked goods with people. I hope you had a good time watching our chocolate chip and blueberry recipe. Thank you for watching our video.
And have a nice
What is hunger? Hunger is when someone does not eat for a few days or weeks and is not sure where their next meal is coming from. They also don't have enough money to pay for their food. Some people also can't grow enough food to eat or have no food at all. Healthy food. Most people don't have this food to eat like we do. They don't have food every day due to hunger, so they are sick because they don't have the nutritious foods to keep them healthy.
Food insecurity. 1 in 5 households is food insecure. Food insecurity means you don't know when or where your next meal is coming from. 11.3% of the population is hungry. 6.0% of the people in Connecticut suffer from food insecure.
dies due to hunger. Some children live in poverty. Hunger causes almost half the deaths of African children. Hunger limits the growth of 1 in 3 children in Africa. People die every 3.6 seconds because they don't eat enough food because they don't get enough food because they are in a low-income place like in Africa.
1.8 tons of fresh produce is wasted every year. By 2030, we will waste 2.1 tons of food every year. When food is thrown in the dump, it emits 16% of the methane in the atmosphere, which is worse than carbon dioxide, which melts the ozone layer and causes global warming. In total, we waste $160 billion worth of food every year. Most of the food we throw away is imperfect produce.
Some reasons why there is hunger. Hunger is still going on for many reasons, but the main one is food waste. We are wasting food we are not eating, what we have thrown away. We are also not thinking of the people that don't have food.
The causes of world hunger.
Extreme poverty, food shortages, war, and conflict.
Climate change, poor nutrition, and poor public policy.
Economy, food waste, gender inequality.
Forced migration, job instability, and unstable markets that people can't afford the price.
Discrimination, bad food system, and natural disasters. Kids against hunger. Some kids don't get to have food. There's a solution. We have the power to help. You can donate food or go to a website that can help.
Ways to help hunger in your community. Go to shelters and give food or money. Have fundraisers and donate. Collect non-perishable food items and give it to people who need it. Or you can also give non-perishable food items to the London Community Meal Center. Donate food and give it to the homeless shelter so they can eat. Help out by going to the New London Community Meal Center.
Websites to help hunger. Only go on websites with an adult if you are a child.
Thanks for watching our presentation. Thank you.
Merci.
Grazie.
Gracias.
Danke.
Are you reward?